Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Bryan in Kentucky on this Galaxy DX 98 VHP. Bryan, I got it ready to go for you, bud. You said you're going to use an RK56, so that's what we put on here. See what we got going on. Horsepower all the way down. 100 watt slug. 4 watts of carrier. Roll it all the way up. 42 watts of carrier. Now you can run it wide open if you're just going to run the radio only. Show you average power swing. 90 bird. 250 watt slug on the peak side. 235 peak. No squealing. Got the top back on. And it's working rather well. Hey, Bryan, I hope you enjoyed this video. And check us out at www.truckscvsales.com. Bum bum.